Tekemu essimu.
Sitedde.
Namba tugiteeke mu bulungi nnyo. Tukwira omuntu omulala yakyewo. Isembe. Namande. Oli otya nnyabo? Yogerako nnyo naye nze bampita Katongole omutongole. Gangambye yagala kuzuula awulira ofamba oli bubi omaze ebbanga olina omusajja yakulekawo. Kiki ekigenda maaso?
Nenga yagala kuzuula kale simutegeera bulungi.
Omusajja we yaani oyo?
Omusajja bamuyita Wamala Edward.
Kiki oli mu kutambula?
Baga ndi ku piki.
Sooka oyimirireko naawe otuwe ebintu byewapi kyakulindemu eddakiika nga 5.
Omusajja oyo simutegeera bulungi ali awo yeebuzaabuza ndabika nga ye najja n'abeera ate n'olaba nga Sibyaliko togamba simutegeera bulungi oba yenze.
Gwobeerawo?
Mbeera Luweero.
Ate omusajja abeerawo?
Naye ali eno Luweero gy'alina bizinensi ze naye si wa Luweero wa Masaka.
Ye w'e Masaka?
Yesebo naye bizinensi eri eno Luweero.
Ewuwe ogendayo?
Ngendayo.
Kitegeeza talinayo mukazi?
Bw'otuuka ewaka? Eyaliyo nasanga yagenda kale alina omwana omu.
Omwana yasigala naye?
Omwana ali wa Nazaala wa mami we. Bwe njogera naye ngamba nti maama w'omwana tebakyakwata.
Ekitegeeza bw'ogenda ewuwe gyakubalira n'empapula ezo?
Mmanyi okugendayo ne tutabala negendayo oluusi najja ewange. Okitegeera mukulu?
Kati ekitegeeza mubalira ewuwo n'ewuwe?
Yes.
Ali ku peegi ki?
Nawe nedda twakatandika.
Anti era nemba mwakatandika ekitabo kibeera ne peegi 10. Kati oyinza okuŋŋamba ali ku peegi 9 oba ali ku 5 ne tumanya embeera ye.
Kale amazima gani tetutera kikola nnyo.
Mukyali ku preface.
Kale tutuuse wakati.
Olaba mutuuse wakati. Tagenda kulekera yadde akantu ono.
Nedda anyway kati tuludde okweraba.
Mumaze ebbanga ki?
It's now 1 month.
Only.
Yes.
Okay.
Oli mugumu kati soko mpe essimu ye.
Number is 07 58
58
93.
Eno kweri?
Kweri.
So newe mukubira kati agikwata.
Mugezi nnyo banaye simanyi nakumanya.
Olowooza ffe atusiga amagezi?
Manyi. Kama eka yamanyi.
Osaaga ggwe. Tayagala kawunga oyo?
Nedda tajja kukkakiriza ssebo. Okuggyako tuli mu process ediza empapula zange njagala mutwala UK. Naye kwegamba kale kyekinkubisizza kyekiŋŋambye munzuulireko baddala yeyo. Nyinza omutwala nentuuka eyo nanziba nambulako n'akomawo Uganda n'apanga ebirala.
Kwegamba nga kwagala lwakuba nti waliwo eky'okumutwala. Kitegeerekeka.
Lindako oyagala kgenda naye oba gwo?
Okay, so mu mpapula zo z'okugenda e UK okkirizibwa okugenda n'omuntu omulala?
Yes.
Okay.
Kale yabaye bwatwala oyo leziba neffe tuli wano ensi yatutamaatamadda. Namande naawe lwaki totwala omusajja ategeerekeka nga nze? Anti ate twala gw'omanyiranye okutwala gw'otamanyi. Akazi babonaabonera bwereere. Sejja kikale singa kifa COVID kino.
Naawe.
Kati beerako tulabe kuba omusajja ono aleka mugezigezi nnyo tova ku simu. Oyo wa boda takupapya.
Musajja kumpapya.
Anange kazi nantwala ono UK mbasimaze.
Tukole ng'aba embassy ya UK.
Hello.
Hello.
Wanjisebo.
Mr. Wamala, you're not picking my call.
I'm sorry, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
There is something we would like to ask from you. I don't know if you know English very well.
I know.
Okay, we are trying to enlarge on our partnership base in Luwero.
Yes.
And we were given in this number by a friend.
Yes.
And he was proposing if you would become one of our biggest agents there with TL and then other communication networks.
Okay. Yeah, I'll work with you guys.
Someone told me that you're selling electronics,
Yes.
phones and all that.
Yes.
So will it be okay for you to become one of our agents, and we see how we can contract with you? We sign a contract.
Yeah, but the thing I want to clear out is, like, can you please come and, we talk on table, and you see my room, you see where I stay, you see where everything.
Of course, we are going to get there, but we just want to get just a few details of you because we were a little bit excited.
Yes.
Someone who told us about you.
Mm.
So we just want to confirm some little information so that by the time we come there, at least we know you were.
Okay.
So you are Mr. Wamala who?
Wamala Edward.
Oh, that is right, because they told us you are Wamala Edward. How old are you?
28.
28. Where is your shop located?
Where opposite playground.
Okay. Are you studied, like you are qualified up to what level?
I'm degree in veterinary medicine, and I'm pursuing a bachelor's degree in mass communication and journalism.
Okay, that is good. So,
University.
are you married?
No, I'm not yet married.
But you're dating?
Of course.
So, would you mind if your next of kin should be your girlfriend? Because that is very, very important.
Yeah, but
Yes, so it's okay. We can put what you can give us one name. It's okay. We don't need to know a lot of details. We don't need
name of
the person or your girlfriend.
come on. Why my girlfriend then now?
No, I'm just saying. Most of our agents, they always give us their wives or girlfriends, so that we are always safe when it is that. You can tell us one name. It's okay, so that I can ask you the last question here.
No.
Hello?
We use my brother.
We put your brother,
Yeah, I will put my brother there.
but you don't trust your girlfriend?
I trust her.
Then what is wrong with you giving us one name?
Why are you anxious about my girlfriend? Tell me.
There's nothing we want about your girlfriend, but it is all about the agents that we get. Because they always give us their wives, girlfriends. Those are some of the people they always give us.
Okay, I will use my brother.
What?
I will put my brother. That's it.
Where does he stay?
Luero.
Okay, now,
Yeah.
don't you think it would be very, very bad and very dangerous? Because this is your girlfriend who gave us all this information.
My girlfriend?
Yes, and is the biggest contact in this whole thing, is the biggest person who decided that we should maybe get you to this kind of job.
Mm-hmm.
So don't you think it's going to be very, very disappointing if you don't even say her name, or she's not even the next of kin?
Come on.
No, but then you have
what's
refused.
the
You don't
big deal
even
then?
trust your girlfriend, and yet she's the one who said.
Come on.
She's the person who recommended you, and if you cannot make her the next of kin, then that gives us we doubt you. Tukudoubtinga, Mr. Wama.
It's okay. Okay, doubt me. It's okay.
Girlfriend we yatuwadde contacts zo.
I get it.
Era nga tusiubira nti ino yajja okubeera next of kin. Gwogambye
Who is
you
that?
trust your brother more than your girlfriend.
That one.
Eh?
Who is that one?
You want me to tell you your girlfriend? You don't even know her name?
No, come on. Why is my girlfriend a big deal in this thing?
Because ye yakurecommending nze.
So I don't want to deal with you.
Eh?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Okay, I
you,
don't want to deal with you.
okay, Mr. Wamala,
Yes.
you don't even know anyone called Christine?
I know Christine is my girlfriend.
You don't even want to recommend her for just being a next of kin?
Why you put my girlfriend in this stuff as a big deal?
Mr. Wamala, girlfriend what omwagala?
It's okay. It's okay.
If you don't trust me, then you talk to your girlfriend.
Hey, I recommend...
Christine.
No, listen.
Listen.
I recommended... Listen. Hey.
Christine.
Oh my goodness, he just ran away.
Hello?
Christine.
Hello.
Ate kiye kikujje ku simu?
Kyayika ndikonyeemu nga mpulira obusungu bunzita.
Omusajja tasobola yadde gwe okubeera next of kin.
Anyway, twakyankalanyeemu ne mugamba munonki oga enimo naye ye nga takikiriza kati wedda njagala kumanya kiki ddala ddala.
Do you feel like oyogereko naye owulire kyagamba ekyo ebyaddala?
Simanyi.
Sooka oleke ngezeeko omukubire nawo baagikwata kubanga omusajja ono ajooga. Bantu mmwe mujooga.
Hello.
Mr. Wamala.
Yes.
You're becoming very stubborn on this, Mr. Wamala. Because we were very much willing to give you this job, but it seems we are giving up.
Okay, just give up.
Because your girlfriend really came pleading a lot.
Hey. Pleading a lot?
Yeah, okay, you talk to her, Christine.
Hello.
Yogera ne bawo yotimwe sorting.
Oh my God. Christine should stop this. Is it a joke or what?
It's for real. I wanted you to get the job, but I don't know.
But you don't know what?
You failed to say the name of your girlfriend?
For real, I don't want to be fake. That's it.
No,
What if
this is not...
I said another name? Come on. I reserve my girlfriend. Come on now. That's
Edward.
No, they told me they had first asked you some questions.
Hey. If I thought we are going to sign a deal or a contract, I must be there. I must see them. Not say each and every stuff of mine on her.
Sebo nkubuziza just next of kin. Nolemerako n'ogamba nti oyagala okuteekawo brother wo.
Why now next of kin then?
Next of kin osobola okuteekawo omuntu yenna ne waba friend wo. Now do you want the contract?
I don't want it. Just leave it.
So we should not sign with you.
Don't sign me.
So you don't even love your girlfriend.
Hey, leave, nigga.
Christine!
I know that's him. I know.
Kati anyize.
I know.
Kandi emmere tajja girya. Abantu basiga bamanyira bampa emirimu biki.
Thank you so much.
Kale gwe mugende mwesotinge. Kale kakati I'm waiting for your call to take me to UK, huh?
Okay.
Wamma twala mu Johnny.
Johnny, oyagala bankube.
Twala neerya. Okay, Christine, bye.